The 18.50-kilometer stretch from Lamlai Bazaar to Thoubal Dam along National Highway 202 will be repaired with funding from Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region, DONA. The road serves as a vital link between Lamlai Kendra and Andro constituencies. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister urged the public not to obstruct National Highway development works in the name of compensation and appealed to MLAs to create awareness among the people. He also inaugurated the Itham-Moirang-Purel bridge over the Thoubal River, connecting Moirang-Purel and Itham, constructed under the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Additionally, a model residential school at Moirang-Purel built under PMJVK and a newly constructed Science and Arts block of Moirang-Purel Higher Secondary School under Samagra Siksa Manipur were inaugurated. During the event, the Chief Minister questioned the Education Department over the decline of Moirang-Purel Higher Secondary School and stated that the director had a short sanction of lecturer post by May this year. He further said that he would instruct the relevant Deputy Commissioner regarding the issue of internally displaced persons at Laikong Relief Camp who reportedly have not received monetary aid for purchasing mattresses. The Chief Minister also assured that extortion-related issues in Imphal East would be reviewed. Andro MLA T.H. Syam Kumar, Lamlai MLA K.H. Ibomcha and Phungyar Laishio Kaising were present at the program.
Ukhul district ki lambi ma haitare sanction tenopal haidba lambi sida Google mapping tawraga lane compensation half kraba adubu kona lambi semba horom dai da yum macha macha sajalaga compensation amu talakpui wari ni adumai tawdana samsamna akoi gi honorable member ukhul gi saita adumai tawbudu saisu nahan mating pangbini hai madu mating pangjambira kanda koi khara sengna madu the Union Transport Minister to so Adugumadu Damasu Sok Satana, Manipur the Pyrunuka Hibumba Wakal Nuaita, Port Male, Aduna Department, Amadi Sargas and Yamna, Atu Madam the High Sing to clear Torokanda, Koye, Matam National Highway, Lockton of Koy Honazagate, Matam Zage.